Hey guys, I'm going to do a little tutorial about how to apply your lashes. I've got a brand new pair. These are Raquel from Tiffany Teal. So I'm going to show you how to fit them to your eye and then place them. So what you want to do is take your lash, put it on your eye with no glue, and see how far out past it goes past your eye. Some people have big enough eyes that you can just put them right on. Mine are not like that. They're a little bit smaller, so I usually have to cut a decent portion off. So again, you want to place them on there and just kind of see. And what I do is use my tool to kind of grab a portion of where I know it's past my eye. And then I'll hold it and I'll cut where I was holding. So I've cut off that little piece and I'm left with this. So then you just kind of take it and place it back on your eye. Make sure that you've cut off enough. So that feels pretty good. I think we're good. So then I'll go do the other one and then I'll come back and add glue. Okay, so now that I have them both cut to my eye, you take my glue. I use the velour. The Duo is really good. House of Lashes. Those are some of my favorites. Depending on the size of your lash band is going to be how much glue you want to put on. The smaller the lash band, the less glue you'll need. So what I do is just put it all along the strip and then do a little bit extra on each end. So we'll see if you can. So I haven't put a lot on there. What I like about the velour one is it goes on white and goes this bluey clear. So I'll kind of let that sit for a few seconds, shake it a little bit just to kind of get it to get tacky a little bit faster. And even then I'll put the glue on the other one as well so that while I'm applying the other one, this one can get tacky. Again, just a nice light layer and a little extra on each corner. The more you wear lashes, the more that they fit to your eye. The first time you wear lashes, a lot of the time you'll get them popping up a little bit. I usually just bring my lash glue with me just in case. But the more you wear them, the more they form to your eye. They'll feel better, they'll fit better, and they'll stay longer. So what I do once the glue is tacky is I take my big mirror, it's dirty, and I put it in front of me and I sit above it and look down into it. So it's right here and I'm looking down and placing the lash from above. Because you want it to sit on top of your lashes. So I usually place it in the middle and then push down my edges. Make sure that that feels comfortable on the eye. And then you can take your tool. And because it's curved, it fits along your lash line. And you can pinch that together with your natural lashes so that they blend properly. And that's it, that one's applied. I'll take my other one. And again, you come in from above. So, and the beautiful thing is this glue is tacky right now. So I can kind of lift and reposition to where I want it before it fully dries and sticks. And that's it. Your lashes are applied. I always add mascara before I put my lashes on. I don't like putting mascara on my strip lashes. They last longer that way. After about 3 wears, I try to pick the glue off. I wouldn't do it before that. You can rip your lash band. Yeah, these are my tips and tricks. I find clamping them together afterwards helps a lot, and looking down into a mirror has been the biggest tip for me that has helped to apply. I wear these every day and it helps big time. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks guys.